am back from the package room and we got some stuff, so I was gonna open it on camera with you guys because, like I said before, I like watching people open stuff. It's really cute because you don't know what they're getting, and I find it like to be like a surprise. So that's why I always open stuff on camera with you guys. So today I only got like 4 packages. I think that's about the same much I had last time. So yeah, this is from Cool Girl, the brand. If you guys watched my vlog from when I went to Tyra's housewarming, the candles that was given away there, I actually ordered another one because I love the way that the free candle that we got, I love the way that smells. So I actually ordered another one in a different scent. I hope it smells good. I hope it's something that I like, because of course you can't smell the candle before you buy it. But I did buy the sample size just in case it wasn't a scent that I personally like. In it, it says, "With love and intention, thank you." Oh, that is so cute. Let me see if I can focus it. Focus, focus. You know, we love when people put in effort into their packaging. So like I said, I got the sample size and I got it in Cocoa Butter Kisses. So this is a 3-ounce soy wax candle, and it says "Made with Intention," which is so cute. So this will be my first time smelling it. Let's see. Okay, I don't know if it's pull or twist. Guess it's pull. Okay. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. I know that it had really good reviews on Etsy, but I'm like, y'all, this candle really smells like delectable. Now I have to, okay, that's burning instructions, how to burn. Oh my gosh, this smells so good, and the packaging's so cute. Let me show you guys up close. Boom, there we go. It's so cute and it smells so good. And no, I'm not just saying that, this really smells super good. So that's a win. Hey, and then I have the one that we got from the housewarming right here. So yay. Okay, so that was from Cool Girl, the brand. I will put the link down in the description box if you guys are interested. Very affordable, and like I said, it smells like quality. It smells great. Now we have a package from Amazon, and I think I know what this is because I am waiting for something else. Okay, yeah, so this is, okay, packaging is a little weird. This is basically shower hooks, because my shower doesn't have like the hooks in it, but it does have like little shells. I'll show you guys, but it doesn't have like hooks for me to hang stuff off of. But yeah, this is just basically how it looks. It's just a little hook with 2 prongs. You can also hang your razor off of it, which I'll probably do that as well. And it comes with 3. I thought it came with 4. I gotta go and double check. Oh, it does come with 4. I was like, I gotta go and double check. I thought it came with 4. So yeah, it is. It was hiding in the box. So it comes with 4 hooks, and I will be using these. So yay. All right, next, do we want the pink box or the brown box? Let's go with the brown box. So in this one, this is clothes. So I needed to up my wardrobe for this fall season. I mostly had just spring, summer-y clothes, so I needed some more stuff, and also just like some more accessories and stuff. I really haven't been adding to my wardrobe too much this year. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so first we have this green shirt. It's long sleeve, and let me know if you guys want me to do a try-on haul of this stuff. But I love this. This is so cute, y'all. Look at the arms. So cute. Ah, I can't wait to wear this. And this is just some shorts. They were only $3, and I thought they were really cute. Cute to wear, like, to dress up. Honestly, at first I was like, oh, I can wear them around the house. But I was honestly like, they're so cute, you could really dress them up. So these are the shorts. They were only $3, like I said. And then, oh man. Okay, so these purses I got in every single color because I've been seeing a lot of my favorite fashion influencers with this style of purse, and honestly I love it. It's so cute, and I love like simple things. Like, I don't really like bags that have too much going on, clothes too much, or jewelry. So this bag is so cute and simple. I don't know why it looks so bright, guys, but basically it's just like one of those little simple shoulder bags like this. This one is in baby blue. I won't open the other ones. This one is in a pink color. And then there should be one more. And then I got this in just black. So they all look like this, but I just got them in all colors because, like I said, they're super cute, super simple. You can dress them up, dress them down. Love these. And they were only $11, I believe. Then I got this red dress that I'm so excited to try on. Oh wow, it feels nice. You know, like when you're on the website and you kind of have to like gauge, like you look at what the material is, and then you kind of have to think to yourself like, okay, how's this gonna fit on me? So I looked at the material and I was like, I don't know how this is gonna feel. But it actually feels really nice. And it's just a long red dress. It has like a little split in the back, but I honestly don't have any cute red dresses. I rarely even wear red, if I'm being honest. And I thought this was just cute and like simple and sleek. And yeah, red dress. And then this is, oh, these are just biker shorts. I love biker shorts. I have like a lot of different colors in biker shorts, but none with like this material. So this is like, but they had a lot of cute colors. I had the turquoise one in my cart, but I was like, probably won't wear it. So I just got the brown because I like neutral tones, and these are so cute. I know it's not like wintry, but I love biker shorts. And again, they was on sale. I think those were maybe $8. Probably cheaper than that, if I'm being honest. I don't remember off the top of my head. What is this? Okay, so this is just a regular black dress, like turtleneck dress. I always like getting stuff like this because honestly, you can do so much with it. It's like a, I don't know, like a necessary basic. It's just literally a long black dress with a turtleneck. So you can put like a cute coat over it, you can put a cute belt over it, you can wear it with boots, you can wear it when it gets hot. Like, it's really a versatile piece, and that's why I like it. This is, okay, we only got two more things and then we can open up the pink box. But I can't get it open. Okay. Oh yeah, this is the blue knit shirt. I thought this was so pretty. So this is just a long sleeve blue knit top. I would probably wear it not buttoned up all the way to the top and just kind of let it, I got it in a medium so it could be a little bit looser, but yeah, super cute. And then lastly, I got this top, which is like, feels like towel material, and that's kind of how it looked on the website, like towel material. But I think it's so cute. So wow, it's like heavy too, super cute. This is in a size small. Looks a little big. I guess it's meant to fit like oversized, but oh, this is so cute. Can't wait to dress this up. So again, let me know if you guys want a try on haul for those, and I will definitely do it for you guys. So that is all the clothes that I got. Now let's move into the last box. Natural hair care, which I really need because, like I said earlier in the video, I'm really trying to restore the health and luster and shine of my natural hair because I have been neglecting it. But I bought from them on their anniversary too, where everything was like $6, and I did it again this time because their products are really good. And as you guys know, if you buy natural hair products, they're usually kind of on the more expensive side. So whenever they're having a sale, it's always good to just hop on it. And especially if you already know products that you really like, you can double up. I doubled up on some of the stuff that I really like because everything was $6. Literally everything on the site was $6. So it has a bunch of this popcorn stuff, and I hate the sound of it, so I'm not gonna stick my hand in. I'm just gonna, my whole body is like tingly. Okay, woo. So first, is this open? It's open a little bit. Oh man, something spilled. That's not good. Something's, look at that. I think one of the deep conditioners, if you guys can see, one of the deep conditioners actually opened. So hold on, let me get a paper towel. Oh, that's not good. Last time when they had this sale, it took a while for the orders to come. They ended up having to give everybody like discount codes. So I definitely understand, but they should probably take their time. I wouldn't have mind waiting. It wasn't even supposed to come today. It was supposed to come 2 days from now. So we're still gonna do the unboxing because, like I said, I do love their products. It's just unfortunate that some of it is spilled or open. But the first product I got was from the rice water collection. So it's the Hydrating Shampoo. I used to make my own rice water and put it in my hair, and I feel like it really did help with like growing my hair and the strength of it and everything. So I went ahead and got their rice water hydrating shampoo, and it had really good reviews. And then also, oh, that's what it is. You guys see the top on this is actually broken. There's no like little thing on the top, which again, very unfortunate. You know, stuff, little things are sticking to it. But then I also got the rice water moisturizing milk. So this for after, just to moisturize my hair because my hair is gonna need a lot of moisture. So I got the rice water moisturizing milk, and then like I said, oh gosh, look at this. It's just all over. Okay. So this is the deep conditioner. I don't know how to pronounce this B word, so I'm not even, should I try? Babasol, I don't know. And mint. Again, I'll put the pictures on the screen, but I love this deep conditioner. I hate the sound and I hate touching these little pops. So I definitely ordered 2 of these and there's only 1 in here. So now that is a problem. That is definitely a problem because I spent my money. Even though it's $6, I spent my money. So we're definitely gonna have to contact them because there's not another one in here. Their products are really good, so don't take this haul like, you know, the wrong way. Their products are good. Like I said, I understand it. You can get busy around these sale times. But yeah, I definitely ordered. Before I lie, let me check and make sure I actually ordered 2. But I feel like I ordered 2 because honestly, I really like this stuff, this conditioner. Let me check. Just so that I know it's not my fault, or I missed something, or I didn't put 2 inside of the cart. Nope, I did. I ordered 2. Let me show you guys. See that? 2. So I will definitely have to contact them and let them know that I only got 1. But yeah, so deep conditioner, and then I also got the edge gel, which last time I had a sale I got a bunch of these because I love this edge gel. It is the Rosemary Mint Strengthening Edge Gel, and it's really good. I really like it. It lays my edges down really nice. And then also this edge gel I also like, and it smells really, really good. This is the Honey and Ginger. Really like this one. This one holds, I feel like, better than this one. So like if I know I'm gonna be out like all day or all night or something, I will, or if it's like really hot, I'll probably choose this one over this one. But if it's like, you know, just a doop doop whatever, I'll choose this one. But they're both really good, so if you guys want to try them, they're both really good. So yeah, that is all that I got from the package room. Let me go and message them, let them know that I only got 1 and I ordered 2. And I hope you guys enjoyed this haul.